Virtual Assistant Beginners Tutorial. What jobs you can perform as a virtual assistant. Today, I will tell you about different jobs that are available for you if you want to work as a virtual assistant. So let's start. Right now, I am at this virtual assistant website where we have four types of jobs that are available for you if you are a beginner and you are wondering what are the jobs that are available out there for you to perform and earn money. So up first we have virtual assistant. Of course, like this is a basic introduction of what virtual assistant is. Like in this job, you will perform basic tasks that are required by the company or any client. In these jobs, you perform different tasks. These tasks depend on the company. Basically, it involves, for example, data entry or email marketing for that company or any personal task if that client or company is giving you. So you just work as a virtual assistant and you perform different duties and earn money through it. So after that, we have virtual bookkeepers. Now, this is a different job that is actually available out there. If you're wondering, like this is super easy, and if you are a book nerd or you love books, then this job is for you. It's super easy. What you do is that you find different books for your client or any company that you're working for. So you'll just find the books or arrange their books for you and find the books on the topic they give you and organize their ebooks or find books on Amazon and do different tasks. And this job actually pays good money, like 17 to 20 USD per hour you can make by doing virtual bookkeeping. Then there comes the social media strategist. Now this is actually very famous type of virtual assisting. Nowadays people are doing it a lot because it's very easy and anyone can do it, honestly. Because what happens here is that you simply manage or you organize someone's social media account. For example, a big company or a magazine wants you to organize their social media, so you will do that. And we're almost all the time on social media, for example Twitter or Facebook or Instagram, and you know your way around these apps, then you can simply perform this job. But there is a difference that I actually want to tell you, that performing a social media support and social media management are two different things. For example, in social media support, you actually just upload different things on the social media account or you will just support that person. But when it comes to social media management, it actually has a lot to do and you might consider increasing your pay rate for that. So keep in mind that because out there are companies that provide social media management and they cost a lot. So if you're working as a virtual assistant, so what you have to do is just keep in mind that social media support is different, and in management you actually have to create a content for the social media account. So if you just keep that in mind, you can actually make a lot of money through social media advertisement and strategies. Then comes the website specialist. Now these are the virtual assistant that will deal with your websites and everything if you are a client. And as a virtual assistant that works for the websites, what you have to do is you manage the websites, you post content there, and you deal with the subscription of the website and everything, and you even develop them for the company or a client. It's super easy also, and there are different platforms that actually let you create free websites, and there are different developers that will help you create an awesome website for your client, and they will be happy and they will pay you a lot of money for that. Okay. So up next, I want to take you to other jobs that are available as virtual assistant. So let's go to this right here. This is an article where I found different jobs that are like available for the virtual assisting. And here you can see there is this research thing. And now doing research for the companies or clients is actually becoming very famous and it pays a lot. So what you have to do in the research is to keep track of competitors' products and services, analyze consumer trends, find formats for press releases, and screen application for an affiliate program. So this is what you will do in the research, and it actually pays a lot. It's up to like 21 to 30 USD dollar per hour if you are just starting, but if you are an expert you can actually go up to 100 USD in any of these fields. I will actually show you some of the virtual assistants that are working on this rate. Then we have a job which is called, this is called how to achieve more with a virtual data entry expert. Now you can become a data entry expert and you enter data, which is very in demand. Whenever you see different jobs that are being posted, yet they are always looking for a data entry person, and it's super easy to do actually. So what you do is that writing job descriptions, customer support tickets, administrative assistant tasks, transcriptionist services, and then social media entry. So you do these things. For example, you will be the administrative assistant task. You will keep in mind that different tasks, for example, you work for a company, so you'll have to enter data every day of what tasks are being performed and what's happening in the company and whatever task they will give you, or putting the expenses into the calendar every day and things like that. And then there is transcriptionist services. What you have to do here is that you might need a podcast interview or a case study interview transcript for a better writing. Now this is also a virtual assisting job that you can perform. And then there is social media data entry. You can actually enter data, for example, inputting links into Bitly, for example, and keeping tracks for analytics. So you will be doing that, and you can actually make a lot of money through this also. For example, 17 to 20 USD per hour, which is a lot. Then there is another form which is virtual travel assistant. Now you must think, what is this? This is actually very unique and very cool virtual assisting job, I must say. What you have to do here is that a virtual travel assistant is a personal assistant but with a focus on travel. They're there to help you with all your travel needs. So what you do as a travel assistant is that you can see right here. You do the research. For example, if someone hired you, a client, so you will do the research about the business plan, the business trip they're going to, or the vacation spot that they have chosen. And then you do the booking accommodation, arranging board options, booking flights, and then airport transfer, managing travel expenses, luggage, and check-in. So you do the thing like a personal assistant. What a personal assistant can do in person, you can do it online. We can do anything online now. So you can become a travel assistant online as well, and it pays actually a lot. The starting of a travel assistant is actually from like $30 to $40 per hour, which is a lot. Then we have email marketing. So as a virtual assistant, email marketing is one of the most important things. It actually comes under the category of virtual assistant itself, or social media marketing. Anything you're doing as a virtual assistant, it will involve email marketing. So what you do is upload email addresses, for example, uploading and updating the email list for the company, the emails that they're going to send to. Then make templates, send mails on time. That's the important one, of course. Then marketing summary, set up automatic mails, perform different tasks. So you can simply go ahead and overseeing email flow. So this is what, as a email marketing virtual assistant, you will have to perform these things. And in email marketing, you can actually make up to $15 to $20 per hour. After that, we have sales operations. Now what happens in sales is that you can actually become a sales virtual assistant online as well, and it helps your client to expand their capacity. And you have to be in sales and in calling. You have to be available on the time that they give you. Most probably these jobs are like 24/7 or 6 to 8 hours per day, and they give you the exact time, and you have to, this is like a day job, and it's actually awesome, and they pay you a good amount for their sales operation. Actually, nowadays, because of the corona, every job is now available online. So you can simply sit at home and do sales operation for someone and earn money. Then comes another form, which is cold calling VA. Now, what is a cold calling VA? A cold calling virtual assistant can handle the implementation and optimization of your organization's cold sales calls. Now, what happens here is that you help people with their call. For example, a company or any manager, you will make calls for them. It is similar to the sales operation, and it actually helps your client to get rid of some work that they are doing. You will actually identify and qualify their leads, create and modify their cold call scripts, and then review and improvise their calling technique. That's what you will do. If you're good at communication skills and you do have a background in sales or calling, then you can simply go ahead and do it online and earn money to it. They actually pay you around about $10 to $20 per hour, because it's like a job of 5 hours per day. So they will like pay you around about 10 to 20, and you make a lot of money at the end of the month or at the end of the week. So yeah, these are actually different jobs that you can do as a virtual assistant. Now let me show you different virtual assistants that are working, and let me show you how much they are making and how much they're charging per hour. Now this is like a freelancing website, Upwork. Right here, I have looked for virtual assistants, and you can look right here. This person, he is charging $90 per hour, and he's a lawyer specialization in internet law. Like, this is another way you can see he's doing what he had a degree in. He's simply offering his services as a internet specialist, and you can see he has made a lot of money. Then if we come here, you can see she's charging like $62 per hour, $75 per hour, and $150 per hour. And you can see he's like email deliverability and email marketing expert, the one that I showed you and I told you that it actually makes you a lot of money. So let's just check out what he's offering in email marketing, so you get an idea what jobs you can perform in email marketing. You can see right here that he's like email deliverability consultations, email tools implementation, email marketing strategies, affiliate email marketing strategies, email campaigns, dynamic email. So you can see that within a branch, like in email marketing, you can actually do a lot of things that like he's doing, and he's charging $150 per hour. That's a lot. Like, you will make thousands of dollars if you work like this. And then there is like $250 per hour. Like, guys, look at this. They're charging so much. As a virtual assistant, you can actually make a lot. And she's like virtual events sponsorship expert, Zoom Guru Plus event platform expert. You can become an event manager online. Like, that's crazy. And then she's charging like $80 per hour, $80 per hour, $200 per hour. And he is like a consultant with education and training expertise. So if you're in the field of education, you're just a teacher, and you want to earn some extra cash, you can go ahead and become a educational consultant or anything like that. You can see this guy, he is branding and marketing consulting professional, and he has made a lot of money right here. So you can see, guys, like there are a lot of people who are working as virtual assistants, and you can also do that. There are literally a lots of services that you can provide and earn money by sitting at home. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope I was a big help to you. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.